We're gonna be shooting, I think like a old historic Honda Civic Si. It's supposed to be for Super Street, so that's cool. Damn. Can't turn here. Are you joking? Looks like it's all closed off. Holy crap. How are we gonna get to Bowls? What the fuck? Alright, we're gonna take a brief intermission. Road was closed. You can see there. It's closed off. So it looks like the street Bowls is on is like closed off for a little event or something. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. We're at Bowls in Little Tokyo. We're shooting this old historic Honda Civic Si. We're doing a little promo video for Super Street After Dark. So we'll be taking this car pretty much, shooting it around downtown LA.
I think my dad likes it.
And I'll start driving? Yep.
And it'll be a wrap. I used to, my life is weird. I used to play like very high level basketball.
That is true.
Oh, you don't have one? Yeah. I'll take one. Do you want to get rid of them?
I don't want to take them back.
Cool. All right.
So we just got done shooting the SI Super Street After Dark video. It's pretty much a wrap. We'll see you guys later.